So yeah, we're here still waiting to open the cake house. ulit. So yeah, we're
I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to
What's
be.
up guys, tonight is a beach night. And yeah, this night will be a celebration of birthday of She, the girlfriend of Jeff. And with her clinic mates or hospital mates, whatever you can call them. And now I will go to Jeff's place and pick him up. And then we will buy cake. And then we will pick other Y boys. So let's go guys. Naka-jacket ako ngayon. Oh! Sorry. I'm on jacket right now because it's cold outside. And yeah, you know, December feels
Just to be less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good, then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity no matter what
What's up? Naka-jacket ka na, Brad?
Lamig kaya.
Siswimming ka?
Nakasando lang ako eh.
Ako din, nakasanda lang ako eh. Sexy back.
Hindi ko makita isa kong sando
Uy,
eh.
bilisan mo.
Ay, sorry.
Wala tayo sa parking, Brad. Nandito tayo sa highway. Oh man, it's prayer time already. We didn't get into time. Holy crap, man. We didn't get into time. It's already prayer time. The cake house is already closed because we will buy some cake for She. So we'll go first to Mark Clovis, and then we will just go back here. What the? So yeah, we're here still waiting to open the cake house. ulit. So yeah, we're still here waiting for the cake house to open. It's already 6:40 in the evening, and we would think it will open 7 o'clock, something like that, right, man?
Yeah.
By the way, this is my buddy Jeff, and this is my buddy Mark. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my vlogs, guys. All right, it's already open, guys. Ta-da! It's already 7 o'clock, and we're not going to the beach anymore because it's raining there. So they decided to go at the house only. English for more. All right.
Okay.
Woohoo! Where are we going now, man? Grocery, man.
Oh, grocery.
Yeah. Buy some. Why are you coming back so quickly?
It's not
Why?
a grocery store.
What's that?
It's
A vegetable store?
I think it's a resto.
Oh, restaurant. I thought. Okay, let's go to the grocery. So this is why we're not going in the beach anymore. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. It's already raining. What a wrong timing, man.
No more big thing.
By the way, no more bitching anymore. So let's go to safe house. And we arrive at our destination, baby. Peace. It's already 7:36 in the evening, and brought to you by Mr. Jepoy, the Explorer. VJ Han. By the way, I'm here with Kay, and syempre, si birthday girl, si She. And then si Mark, as usual. Peace, yeah. Sayang yung beach natin. Nagsisisi ka ba?
Ay, hindi.
Hindi? Hindi ka ata maliligo, hindi ka nakahanda eh.
Hindi ako mag-
Sabi na eh.
Ito yung bless the food.
Alright!
Bless the food, guys.
Yun na guys!
Bless mo na yun.
Bless na natin. Happy birthday to you. Kakain na ako, gutom na ako.
You'll always stand for me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. Yeah. 'Cause I know only do me. That's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And
Hipan mo.
Ayan, pwede mo na isang sa kanya.
Wag! Anong tawag? Ano ulit? Ano yan? Oh.
At tsaka.
Bakit?
Bigote. At tsaka.
Wale o habe?
Tawa ka.
Habe.
show up, it's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for. Love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason.
Dahil ikaw, bro.
Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.
2 hours later.
Huli! Ballot mode. Uy, oh. Mga boy take out. Boy ration. Alright guys, it's deliver time day. It's time deliver time of the day.
Ano? Delivery
Yeah.
time day?
Yung mga leftovers will be
Leftover talaga.
Taken-
No, not leftover.
Take-
Excess food.
Excess food will be taken to our sister in Christ.
Ano yun? Sabi mo?
What's up? What's up?
Di-deliver kayo?
Yeah.
Ano di-deliver niya?
Leftover foods.
Yes!
To our sister in Christ.
Hindi tayo dyan.
See? This will be a fruitful day.
Part of the service.
Hey, I have something to say. Yeah, I'm going to deliver. Deliver. Call them, quick. Quickly. Yan talaga, Brad.
Di
Mga
pa
pag-ibig eh.
cellphone.
Woo! Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Ito ba yung mga di-deliver natin, Brad? Ayan ba yung lahat?
Yan, lahat.
Anong mga meron dyan?
Sisha. Rice.
It's rice, fishes,
Pakita mo yung short.
spaghetti,
Sausawan.
sausawan. Where's the shorts? Wow, sexy! Beach na beach!
Wait lang daw, may emergency kasi.
Oh, may emergency! What the F?
Ostrich
There's
the
an
second.
emergency!
Ostrich the second.
Ostrich the second.
No.
Ostrich, you know, the ostrich have big balls. Yeah.
We have a joke for that.
Oh, what?
Are you an ostrich?
No. Flesh.
Are you an ostrich?
Why?
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 Because you have big balls.
Big balls? You already saw it?
Balls and long neck. Big eggs pala.
Eggs.
Sorry.
You know, itlog na maalat.
Yung
Pag nababad
matagal na
sa
buro.
matagal na babad. Go, go, go! Bilis! Go, go, go! Ayun pala si ano. Ay! Napindot ko yung ano. Hindi, nandun sila. Yeah. Naka-duty kasi sila ngayon eh. Hospital nga pala. Ito ang emergency room. Dito ko dinala si Dads nung may sakit siya. Why?
Ako pa pag-aabutin.
Whoa! So, mission complete?
Mission. Uy! Ano yun?
Mission complete! And we gotta go home now, guys. And yeah, see you later.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, kakasama na naman kami mga to. Goodbye, Brad.
Bye.
All this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go. Even if I'm out to nothing, I know there's always something. It's not a fitness test.